Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming what kind of controller you have and why that matters. Bluetooth needs pairing, wired needs drivers, dongles act as USB adapters. Once done, update Windows or your OS and install the specific Bluetooth or USB drivers so the device is recognized. Put the controller into pairing mode or plug it in now. If it has a firmware updater, run it to avoid compatibility issues. These initial steps prevent connection problems and let the system detect input correctly. Next, you configure how the controller communicates with games by choosing software: Steam for native support, DS4 Windows for PlayStation pads, or vendor utilities for advanced features. Once installed, calibrate analog sticks and set dead zones to remove drift. This ensures precise steering or aiming. Then map buttons and triggers, saving profiles for different games. Make sure to select X input or direct input mode, depending on the game, so inputs translate correctly. Finally, you validate and refine the setup by running a controller tester or jumping into a short game session to confirm buttons, sticks, and triggers behave as expected. If inputs feel sluggish, reduce wireless latency or enable exclusive mode in settings. Tune vibration and sensitivity for comfort. Make sure to save profiles and back them up. If things go wrong, try repairing, swapping USB ports, reinstalling drivers, or performing a factory reset. These fixes resolve most connectivity and mapping failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.